Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I am Lisa and today I am going to talk about retinol from San Botanica. So today I am talking about this retinol from San Botanica. I have been using it for past 3 months and I have used it completely, and today I am going to share my experience of using this. So this is retinol 2.5% with vitamin E and hyaluronic acid from San Botanica, of course. This is cruelty free and vegan, has no paraben, no mineral oil and no silicones in it. That is really good. Now the ingredient list is pretty interesting. They have a lot of good ingredients in here. They do have fragrance in here that is ranking quite high, that some might have problem with. I don't mind. This is retailing for rupees 9.99. It also has vitamin C, that is ascorbic acid, in this. Now according to the direction, we have to use a small quantity of this serum on our face and neck, and after applying it we can follow up with a moisturizer. That is exactly what I did. I applied this serum on my face at my nighttime skincare routine and I applied a good moisturizer after this. Now it comes in a UV protected glass jar, a dark color glass jar, and it has a pump in it from where we can get our product. It is a pale off-white color serum. It has kind of a thick creamy consistency. It does not feel greasy or oily on my skin. After applying this serum to my face, it gets absorbed into my skin in just few minutes. There is no leftover like stickiness or greasiness on my face. Even though it has hyaluronic acid in it, it does not provide any kind of moisturization to our face. You have to use a good moisturizer after using this. It is a very lightweight serum. Now let's talk about the good things about this first. The first thing is it did not irritate my skin whatsoever. No irritation, no itchiness, no burning or stinging sensation whatsoever. This is quite gentle on our skin. It does not cause any kind of dryness or itchiness on our skin. It did not cause any breakout or acne or pimple, tiny bumps, anything on my skin. It is very easy to use on our skin and very easy going on any skin type. It makes my skin feel extremely soft and smooth in the morning, and I do notice a very nice glow on my skin every morning. Now let's talk about the things that I don't like and really disappointed me. Now this is not my first retinol that I have used. I have used another retinol 0.5% from The Ordinary's before, and my skin actually liked that very much. I wanted to try something stronger, so I got this retinol. As it says on the bottle and also on the box, it is 2.5% retinol. It should be effective, it should be working on my skin, but I did not notice any long-term effect or anything on my skin. I did not notice any anti-aging effect on my skin. The effects that retinol should be providing, this did not provide, even though I used it up completely. Now the problem with this serum is the retinol in this, the actual retinol in this, that is up here, vitamin palmitate 2.5%. that is the most weakest form of retinol out there. It does not work on our skin from within. It cannot penetrate into our skin. It is the most basic form of retinol. It does not get penetrate into our skin, and it does not work on our skin from within. It does not help in renewing our skin cell on our skin. So it does not actually provide any kind of benefits or effects of a retinol. So this retinol is not a very strong retinol. It is actually a very weak form of retinol. It does not provide any long-lasting effect on our skin. This retinol is not effective on a mature skin. It is more like a beginner retinol. It gives very superficial benefits on our skin. It does not help our skin from within. But still, I enjoyed using this product because even though the retinol in this is very weak, still it did not cause me any kind of breakout. It didn't really react to my skin. It was extremely gentle on my skin. That being said, this is not a good retinol for anyone with mature skin who is above 30 and looking for a good anti-aging serum or product. This won't work for you. If you are someone with a very young skin, you have never used any product with direct acids or with active ingredients in them, then this one can be for you. You will enjoy using it. It will give a nice glow on your skin, but as soon as you stop using this, all the benefits that you see will just vanish. This is a very beginner friendly retinol. It is not for a mature skin like mine. It won't help with lightening your dark spots or help with your wrinkles or anything. I had high hopes from this actually. I wanted to love it. I wanted it to work for me, but it didn't. Even though I enjoyed using this product, I am not going to repurchase this. This is not a 2.5% retinol. Don't get fooled with the number here. This is even weaker than, I think, 0.2% retinol. This is very weak form of retinol. It is a very weak serum. It doesn't provide any kind of benefits, long lasting benefits on your skin. I hope you liked my review today. Stay tuned to my channel by subscribing to me for weekly contents. I will see you next week. Until then, take care. Bye bye.